Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we actually have a good one. So today we have the Rimac Nevera in basically in white. Now this is number 4 out of 10 from Hotwheels Green Speed and number 70 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So you've seen me review the blue version, and now we have the white one. Now this definitely reminds me of Forza Horizon 5 because well, they did just release the Rimac Nevera in like, I don't know, two, 3 months ago in the game. And yeah, Hot Wheels has basically done it in white, which is pretty cool, not gonna lie. I do love the like metallic white finish here that we have, which is pretty cool. Now this car is indeed a hefty one because, you know, this is electric, and just judging by the like whole color, the looks of it, it just seems amazing. Now the wheels are not too bad. I mean, you do have chrome silver like 5-spoke star shaped wheels, I guess. You do have headlight details right there, and yeah, basically rear light details as well. But yeah, let's look deeper into the details right now. So starting off from the side, we do have the wheels right here, the chrome silver rims or wheels, which looks awesome. Now they do look like the star-shaped rims or anything, yeah, kind of rims, which are yeah, pretty good, to be honest. Now at the side, starting off, we do have half plastic and half metal right here. The dark bluey bits that you can see throughout the car is basically plastic. The bottom half, which is the like white color parts right here, at this part right here, a bit of this, and also the front right here is actually plastic. The top half is basically metal, as you can tell. It's actually shiny. I mean, as you can tell, it's basically, you can see the metalness compared to like the plasticky bits. Now yeah, you do have the dark blue parts right there, which are fine, pretty normal. Now sidewise, looks very clean. Moving on to the front, you do have the fearsome looking headlights right there, and the front grille right there, as you can tell. I mean, it's technically not really a grille, but still something like that. So yeah, you do have the Rimac logo right there, some hood scoops right here as well, some more blue bits. The front splitter is basically plastic, as you can tell. Overall, the front looks very fierce. Interior, normal window tint, as well as blacked out interior, which is cool. Here is the other side, if you're wondering to look right there. Moving on to the back, we do have the rear lights, which are pretty nice. We do have this massive spoiler right here at the back, which is metal, by the way, and also some more bluey bits and diffuser, of course. And yeah, overall pretty clean for the whole car. I do really like it. I think this is better than the like blue version. Hoping that they'll release a black version soon. Rimac Nevera, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. Overall pretty sick and very clean. I do really like the casting. For a hypercar that can be able to compete with something like the McLaren P1, the Koenigsegg Gemera, what else? I believe the Lamborghini Sian, and a bunch more cars, the Veneno, the Ferrari Enzo, I guess. It's quite a nice car. I mean, this is one of the cars that has the record holder of the fastest, I believe, reverse timing, which is pretty insane. It's the fastest reversing car and the fastest timing for reverse. I believe the 0 to 60 in reverse. I mean, just because it's electric, it's not pretty fair because not every single car can basically drive in reverse unless if it's electric. Like gas powered cars, they have a limiter when it comes to reversing, but electric cars, they basically have no gear, so why not? I mean, it's pretty good that this car is able to achieve an interesting achievement, not gonna lie. I believe some other cars won't be able to compete with it in terms of reversing and even the 0 to 60 in reverse. But in terms of 0 to 60 moving forward, yeah, there will be a lot more competition between big companies like McLaren, Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Lamborghini, and a bunch more companies. But yeah, Rimac's not too bad of a company. Basically, they only developed this car and the concept version, which is the Rimac Concept 2, but both are still good cars, even though the concept is not typically made for production or anything. I mean, it does exist, but technically it is a concept compared to this one, which is actually a production running model. Of course, I believe it's already sold out, supposedly. I mean, of course, like hypercars normally sold out in the next few hours of its release, so yeah, technically should be gone by now. But hopefully Mattel will release this car maybe in the future into car culture. Maybe that would be pretty fun. Maybe exotic NV line, that would be pretty great. Maybe the speed machines, that would be also pretty good. That's a great idea too. I'd say speed machines or maybe even exotic NV would be a great choice. But in mainline, I would still prefer to see a black color coming soon. Hopefully they will make one, or maybe a different color also. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Rimac Nevera in metallic white. Overall, awesome car, clean car. Love the colors, the color of it. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.